So your salary arrives on the first day of the month, and you start thinking about all the things you can finally buy. But then, by the fifth day, it's already disappearing. Bills, groceries, and unexpected expenses start to chip away at your balance. Saving money can feel like trying to hold water in your hands. No matter how hard you try, it seems to slip away, leaving you with just a few drops. But there's always room to save more. It's about making smarter choices, not depriving yourself of joy. Saving money is about finding a balance between living your life and planning for the future. By making mindful decisions and staying committed to your financial plan, you can overcome these challenges. Let's explore how you can make this happen. As soon as you receive your income, whether it's from your job, a side hustle, or any other source, set aside 10 to 20% into a separate savings or investment account. This should be done before you pay any other bills or spend any money. Start by setting up an automatic transfer from your checking to your savings account on payday. Treat it like a non-negotiable bill. Automating this process makes it easier to stick to your savings plan. Use a simple app, spreadsheet, or even a notebook to track every expense. You'll quickly identify wasteful spending patterns. Start with something easy. You don't need fancy software. A basic expense tracking app, an Excel spreadsheet, or even a pen and notebook will do. The goal is to record every single expense, from rent and groceries to that Rs. 70 coffee you buy on the way to work. The act of writing it down, or seeing it on a dashboard, naturally makes you more conscious the next time you reach for your wallet. It introduces a moment of reflection. It forces you to face the truth about your habits. And that moment is where smarter choices are made. Every time you regret a purchase, write it down. It helps you understand your spending habits and recognize patterns. Over time, this practice can lead to better financial decisions and a healthier relationship with money. The 24-hour rule is simple. Before buying anything non-essential, wait 24 hours. After a day, if you still feel it's worth it, go ahead and buy it. This method is highly effective in curbing impulsive purchases. Reduce exposure to marketing. Unsubscribe from promotional emails by using filters to identify them quickly. Unfollow influencers who make you want to buy things you don't need. Less temptation means more money in your account. Where should your savings go? Not under your mattress. We're not in the 1800s. Consider a savings account for easy access and security. Or, explore investment options for potential growth. Each choice has its pros and cons. Start with an emergency fund of 3 to 6 months of expenses. After that, explore various investment options like mutual funds, SIPs, stocks, bonds, and real estate. Choose the right one based on your risk tolerance. For low risk, consider bonds and fixed deposits. For moderate risk, mutual funds and SIPs are ideal. High-risk takers might look into stocks and real estate. Always diversify to balance risk and reward. Saving is a habit. The earlier you build it, the easier life becomes, because savings don't just protect you, they empower you. Remember, the benefits of saving compound over time, leading to financial freedom and peace of mind. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel for more tips on mastering your money.